equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the battery without causing any damage. First, power off your Asus UX582L and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place the laptop upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Locate the screws securing the back panel. There are typically 10 Phillips screws that need to be removed. Carefully use your Phillips No. 0 screwdriver to unscrew them, placing the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage the clips holding the panel in place. After the back panel is removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Next, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector away from the motherboard. Be careful not to pull on the wires themselves. If you're unsure about any step, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. With the old battery disconnected, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connector and press it firmly into place. Ensure it's secure and that there are no loose connections. After the new battery is installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping. Finally, power on your Asus UX582L and check if the new battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. This process may seem complex, but with patience and the right tools, you can successfully replace your laptop battery. If you reckon this is too hard, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. We are here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.